Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your AdCreative AI subscription. So if I click here and see what subscription I have, I'm currently on a free trial that's supposed to last for 7 days. I have 4 days left. And after my 4 days lapses, I'll be on this professional plan for $339 a month. So if you want to go ahead and cancel this, all you do is click on settings and then scroll down here, and under need assistance, you'll see this button here on the right that says cancel my subscription. Go ahead and click on this, and this will redirect you to another page. So here, they're going to ask you whether you want 2 extra weeks for free, plus a training. You can come in here and press on X, and then scroll down here, and just go ahead and give any reasons. Just say other, or something like that. They'll basically keep trying to make you buy. And let's just say we're not likely to require, say, the pricing or something like that. You can just do that and then just say I want to cancel. Okay, let's just say too expensive. That'll be fine. It's still too expensive for me. Go ahead and cancel this. And it'll keep trying to make you stay, but just go ahead and click on cancel subscription right here. And then you should be canceled. Okay, now let's skip this. Let's go back to my page. If I go over and check my subscriptions currently, let me show you. If I click here, I'm still in a trial, but now we will not have any subscription going on. So if I basically show you what's going on is that the account is going to be scheduled to be canceled at the end of your billing period, in this case, the trial period, which will end in 4 days. And it's really that easy and simple.